Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable disappearing messages in a WhatsApp mobile application on Android. So let us guide you through this. So launch the WhatsApp application and navigate to the chat or conversation you would like to enable disappearing messages for. So let me go with that chat here. What you want to do next is simply tap into these three dots in the top right and tap into disappearing messages here. And from that menu, what you want to do is simply select a message timer below. Like for example, make these messages disappear after 24 hours, after 1 week, or after 90 days. That's up to you guys. You may also try a default message timer below by tapping into this button. And yeah, simply select one of these options. I will go with 24 hours, and that is going to make these messages in this specific chat disappear after 24 hours. If you'd like to turn this off, guys, simply tap into off here, and that is going to disable these disappearing messages. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.